Hi friends, in this video I will talk about the healthy habits. Also, I will give some tips in order to avoid diseases. So, let's start with the theme of food. If you want to have a healthy diet, you must eat a lot of fruits and vegetables. You must do physical activity because with the healthy diet and the physical activity, you avoid problems like obesity. You must avoid stress. You must drink a lot of water. You must avoid spending the night. You must avoid drinking soda. So, you shouldn't eat foods with a lot of fat very often. So, you shouldn't smoke cigarettes, obviously. You shouldn't use drugs. You shouldn't spend the night very often. You should drink a glass of red wine daily. You shouldn't eat junk food, obviously. You shouldn't expose yourself to very hard noises. So you have to sleep very well, at least 8 hours a day. You have to take a lot of vitamin C. You have to drink some coffee. You have to have a balanced diet. When you are on the street and it rains, you have to shelter. You have to walk. You have to walk at least 30 minutes a day. You have to take a shower daily. Right? Thank you very much for the attention. Goodbye.